Oh, what am I gonna do?
What is that?
This feels a little odd. How do I look? I'm looking for a birthday boy. I've got a birthday present. I need a
present for mother.
Oh!
I couldn't find my leggings, so I was like, I might as well fold laundry because it's 6:30.
Oh my gosh, is it my birthday or is it yours? Is it my birthday or is it yours?
It's not mine. It's 6:30.
Because it's your birthday and mine because it's your birthday.
I did. It is my day of birth to you. Good morning.
Wait, Boston, is your golden birthday? No.
Want me to go get your first present?
Sure.
Yeah! You wanted that?
Boston, you're gonna be so. You already looked.
Okay, Boston, don't mind. Your other presents are wrapped, but that one is not. So go ahead and open it.
Is that the tuxedo shirt?
Yeah.
Boston was like, last year I wore a tuxedo, and he's like, I can't wear a tuxedo to school. He's like, but I've seen these tuxedo shirts.
I thought it was like a funny face, like.
Okay, truly, what do you think? Are you excited or are you embarrassed to wear it?
I'm excited.
Yeah, I knew it. I knew it. And I was going to help you find some really cool shorts.
It's really big.
We can tuck it in.
Really big.
We can tuck it in. We'll make it work. Okay,
Wait, am I
everybody.
gonna wear this to school or not my outfit?
It's really up to you, but I thought you would really enjoy wearing that to school.
Are you going I'm gonna wear this to school.
Okay.
Are you going to Boston school?
Yes, I am going to. Boston.
Can we cut this off?
Yes, I'm so sad that we missed your biggest smile on camera because he was really smiling big. I thought it was so sweet that you were so happy about your tuxedo last year. I thought it was so sweet that you were like really wanting a tuxedo this year. Good compromise. Happy birthday. If birthday boy wants a haircut right before school, birthday boy gets it. How can you wear a tuxedo shirt and not have a sharp haircut? Answer me that. You don't. I have something to tell you. I have a matching tuxedo shirt to wear with you today. Yeah, I really do. And I'm thrilled about it, so.
I'm gonna wear it to when I.
Absolutely.
You should have surprised me when I was at school. When you're coming.
Yeah, I should have.
I'm joking.
You did it wrong. I'm joking.
Oh yeah.
How do I look? How do I look? Boston's gonna love it. He's gonna dig it.
He's gonna love it.
Didn't have time to put my mascara on, but you know.
It's like you're formal, but you're going to a party at the same time.
Yeah, it's like a mullet. This is my mullet outfit. I don't know what that means.
Mal outfit.
Hey, that was a good one. While the kids are at school, I'm going to frost Boston's cake. Now, when you ruin your son's cake, you make the best of it. I cooked these yesterday, and the inside was completely doughy. Completely doughy. So I scooped out the doughy part. I'm left with 2 cakes with this like hole. So I'm just gonna do my best. And we'll see where it goes from here. The cake might be a shambles. The frosting is not going to be. Boston requested my frosting, and so we're going to make my frosting. We're gonna see what we can salvage with the cake situation. I've got 2 beaters, and I don't have anyone to lick the frosting off of them. What am I gonna do when I am a grandma? I will cry. If I make a cake and I don't have anyone around to lick the beaters, what am I gonna do? That's gonna be the saddest thing. Because right now, I don't wanna lick the beaters because I'm trying to be good, but it's like a crime. That feels like a crime. I'm actually feeling like an absolute genius. So when I leveled the cake and cut each layer flat, filled the holes with that, we are in good shape. No one is going to know the difference. I have left myself speechless. Are you serious? Are you ready for your school debate?
Yeah.
What's your debate?
Why zoos should not be banned.
I'm here for it.
I'm Eddie the baseball. Oh no, Spanky Spanky.
Hi, my name is Boston and I am presenting the negative team's final argument through the evidence presented by my teammates Xander and Porter. And myself will be convincing you that zoos should not be banned. First, zoos should not be banned because they do more good than harm for animals. According to How Stuff Works 2008, the Baltimore Zoo and Detroit zoos both have polar bears rescued from traveling circuses where they were whipped, starved, and kept in cages that got as hot as 100 degrees. This means they are safe from the circuses that treat them poorly.
Who sent you cookies?
I don't know.
I don't know either. But that's really exciting. Welcome home from school. You did a good job on your debate. So this is love. So this is what makes life. What's the word? Divine. Yeah, Boston wanted a
Tuxedo shirt.
He wanted a tuxedo shirt. We kept it casual with the short sleeves. We kept it casual with the short sleeves. And I figured if you were gonna be in a tuxedo tee, I needed to be in a tuxedo tee.
Oh yeah.
So, you know. All right, let's open these cookies.
Are they good?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
One of them got a little scrunchy scrunched.
Wait, yeah. What the? Is that a Captain Crunch?
I hope whoever sent them will reveal themselves. I'm sure they will.
If it's you, put the comments down below.
I'm thinking possibly Aunt Ellie. I'm not really sure. I don't really know. I'm gonna ask her.
What is that?
This year for Boston's birthday, he really wanted to decorate his own cake. And one time we decorated a cake. Whose birthday was it when we decorated it with chocolate bars?
That was me. That was last year. Yeah. I thought you meant like decorate it because I remember one year I had Lego, my Lego party.
We did.
Remember your, what's it called?
You're the rock.
Yeah,
That you
mine-
put
yeah,
rocks
the
on.
rocks.
You were
rocks.
tiny.
The candy rocks. Was
That was like your 2-year-old birthday.
I can't
I still remember that.
Well, Boston chose to do candy, like gummy candy. So Boston, you know, I hope you appreciate the miracle that this beauty is.
No, not when I was 3 when there's hand marks and
Yep, that's
in the
true.
shoe. I hit my shoe in it.
Okay, decorate away, son.
I don't know how we're gonna cut this cake, but
This is gonna be disgusting. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
so we're singing first and then opening presents?
Yes.
Yes.
Done.
All right, Bossy, are you gonna light the candles?
Yeah.
You want me to? You want Cody to?
You get the side picture or get a lipstick on his cheek?
Who's your girlfriend?
Mom.
My mommy likes me.
My mommy likes me. No. This feels a little odd.
That's alright. If
There's
nobody's
a-
burnt, it's not a party.
Is it really a birthday? Cody, okay, he's just dripping wax all over.
Hey, you got one more, Tito. Can you get it?
Yep,
Yeah, hold the whole thing in there.
it's fine, Toots.
It's fine.
You want to start a fight on camera?
Fire first.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Boston. Happy birthday to you.
You should have worked them out.
Right in your face.
Did you make a wish?
Oh, some protein. All right. Health code.
Oh.
Gotta just discount code for that protein in the description for you.
That's right.
Break it open. There you go. Oh, that's socks.
Oh,
You have holes in your socks.
thank heavens
now.
your socks right now have holes in them.
All three of us boys have Adidas.
You alright?
You may have missed it, but he was smiling really big when he saw his hat.
Slap that bad boy on. Oh, my goodness.
Matches your cheek.
Shooty.
I think it's like a ball. I bet it's a big sucker that you see.
It's a soccer
I knew it was a soccer ball.
Like you knew.
It's like I knew. It's like I had been told a million times by an 8-year-old that for his 9th birthday he wanted a soccer ball.
Boston. These are for Boston.
What are they?
Crystal. Adidas. I know it.
Oh my
Yep.
heavens, look at those.
Do you like
I
them?
love them.
It's about time. Where's your shoes at?
Oh, these kids chew through shoes like no other.
Going through the same shoes.
Are those handsome or what?
If we don't have it,
How's
then
it feel?
we'll get one.
Good.
I think he likes them.
Think he likes
Yeah, I
it?
love them.
All right.
That's good.
Oh, but it's feasible. Oh, and the feasible.
What do you guess it is?
Feastables.
A COVID mask.
A COVID mask.
Oh,
Soccer gloves!
those are cool.
Goalie gloves, I meant.
Are those the ones you wanted?
No, but they're way cooler than the ones I did want.
Perfect. Perfect.
I'm gonna try to find my next one.
You know, Joel's mom did warn me that when I married you, you were the pickiest man alive. Well, the newest pickiest man alive is this boy right here.
Slap them together. Let's hear them clap.
I know.
Oh, you're just getting over to check each layer.
Each layer.
I look amazing.
Woo! Grandma and Grandpa Griffiths. Griffiths. Happy birthday. $20.
$20.
Oh, there's a boat that says Boston. Happy birthday, Boston. We love you so dang much. We have made so many wonderful memories together. Stay strong in all that you do. Grandma and Grandpa Griffiths.
I'll have you know that when I called my mom, my dad had Googled clouds and he was following a YouTube tutorial on how to draw clouds.
And this is from Grandma and Grandpa. Great for high energy, action-packed superhero birthday.
Yeah.
That's awesome, Boston.
Those are signature Grandma and Grandpa Hoellein cards. Oh, no, don't do that.
do that. That's what plays the music. Oh. See, look.
Sounds like it needs to be assembled. Oh, man.
It's Iron Man.
That one's
Iron Man
cool.
Lego. Dad, there's a light thing, so when you turn on, hit the blue chest.
This is why Boston got socks for his birthday.
Well, the other day, I was out here in the yard with him, and I could see his toe through his shoe, but he was wearing socks, so...
And if they go through socks and shoes, that means they're playing hard, and that's okay with us. But are you happy to have fresh socks?
Fresh pair of
Those
socks.
are some
sick.
stinking cute socks.
These ones, I think they're my favorite.
Yeah, those are awesome. And we'll throw these in the garbage.
Whenever I'm like counting the song, like 1 and 2, and I can't hold my breath that long because I'm just trying to play as fast as I can. So once I get done with that line, then I can take a breath. But I have to go. But it's hard to count with the notes because I go so fast.
Boston's piece is very difficult, especially for just being a new piano player, but his teacher thought he could do it, and you know what? You sound incredible. We have 1 week left, like 1.5. We have 1.5 weeks left until your recital.
And I got this hat.
That's right, they watched you open it. Okay, you guys, we are gonna close the vlog here. Boston, I hope you had a fantastic birthday. Did you? Did you have a good birthday? Good.
I got a kiss on the cheek.
You did. Can you say happy birthday to Boston?
Happy birthday.
Do you want to say goodbye to everybody?
Bye.
Goodbye, everybody. How fun is this? Usually I will fill each mason jar with breakfast for the kids. I usually put oatmeal or chia seed pudding with vegetables, or I mean fruit. This is what we do. I put a little spoon in there. But I'm going to put cake in there so they can have cake for breakfast, and I think that is just very exciting. Good night.
Yay! I knew you were gonna put the cake in.
This is about the best scene I could ever end my night with. Good night, little Boston birthday boy. Oh, I love this scene more than anything. More than anything. Go!
No, use my phone. I've already started. He was like, last Boston.
Code Run, find Lincoln down the street.
Okay, well, oh.